Hello, we hope you will enjoy this video. If you do, please remember to subscribe for free, like, ring the bell and comment. More details about these at the end. Advent calendars. Inside the Advent calendar. The teddy bears love having an Advent calendar before Christmas. Opening a little numbered door or an envelope or small box to reveal a prize is very exciting. Advent is a religious period beginning on the Sunday nearest the feast of St. Andrew the Apostle on the 30th of November, through the following 3 Sundays. Historians estimate that Advent, which derives from the Latin word for coming, has been celebrated since the 4th century. Nowadays it is more commonly associated with the lead up to Christmas Day, which is still a holy festival of the anniversary of Christ's birth on the 25th of December. Today, Advent calendars begin on the 1st of December and mark the 24 days before Christmas Day. Usually they involve the opening of paper doors or lids of boxes to reveal a Christmassy image, a piece of chocolate or other small gift. The tradition dates to the mid-19th century when German Protestants made chalk marks on doors or lit candles to count the days leading up to Christmas. The teddy bears are always very thrilled when they receive their Advent calendar on the 1st of December. They take it in turns to open each day's surprise. If there are sweeties inside, one of their favourite types of surprises, they are especially well received. This year, their Advent calendar had individual envelopes which included a chocolate coin and a joke or riddle and a small ornament for their very own Christmas tree. The chocolate coin is claimed by the opener, who also then reads out the joke or riddle, hopefully making the other bears laugh, or maybe groan, and then chooses where to place the ornament on the tree. The tree was chosen by all the bears beforehand, as they were going to decorate one for themselves anyway. It is simply a twiggy branch from one of the trees in their garden, and they have placed it in a pot indoors. Once it is covered with pretty Christmas ornaments from the Advent calendar, and maybe some lights and tinsel, it will look gorgeous. Will you be receiving an Advent calendar this year? They are such fun. If you want to see how the one the teddy bears received was made, then click here to go to the how-to video. And talking of Christmas, here is another competition which the teddy bears have set up for you to enter. You could win your very own Edward teddy bear. You can read all about him here. Click here to go to the competition page where you will find all the rules and instructions. Good luck! Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for free and our videos will appear on your YouTube homepage, making them easier for you to find. If you enjoyed the content, please hit the like button. Ringing the bell means you'll be notified about our new videos. Please also leave a comment. Comments and ideas help us to improve.